Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and I want to show you how I paint this Thanksgiving turkey today. I'm going to go in first with a color putty, and I'm going to base coat my turkey. And all the colors I use in this video will be Dixie Belle chalk paint, which you can purchase online at buildacross.com, along with this cutout and the brushes I use. I choose Dixie Belle paint just because the coverage is excellent and works so well with our products, but you can use any paint on our products. Once this is been base coated, I'm going to go in with the color chocolate and a sponge brush, and I'm going to distress all of my edges and a little bit on the tail. I'm kind of bringing that down like at a curve on the tail just to add some extra detail. And then I'm going to go in with my Sharpie marker and begin to do a little lettering. And of course you can go in with vinyl if you prefer, if you're more comfortable with that, but this marker definitely helps. Kind of just make your lettering more clean. And so if you want to try your hand lettering, I definitely recommend this marker. And then once I'm done with my lettering, as you can see, I kind of struggled with that B there. It's been so long since I've written in cursive, so I kind of forget how to make some letters. But once I'm done with my lettering, I'm going to go in with the number 4 round and the color cotton, and I'm just going to highlight my lettering just down the left side of each letter, just to kind of brighten it up and add an extra little detail. And I forgot to dot my I's, so I'm going to do that, and then it is done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as you can see, it does not have to be perfect. My lettering is not perfect, but it still looks cute. So I hope you guys have a great day and enjoy this video.